Hello everybody, Brad Johnson here, and I'm happy to finally announce the arrival of the Healing Code Cards Mind Deck. So, as it says, the most powerful healing card technology. So with this new deck, if you are not familiar with the digital edition already, the Mind Deck works very strongly with the mental and emotional bodies. We're looking into chakra clearing, chakra balancing. We're looking into psychic enhancement. We're looking into aura purification. We're looking into spirit light. We're looking into love enhancement. We're looking at all of these incredible cards, 36 cards in one deck, including the amplifier cards as well too. And again, it is now available on healingcodecards.com. So finally, you can get the body deck and the mind deck now in printed form. So I'm really, really excited to finally unveil this to everybody. It has finally arrived. And again, feel free to go ahead and grab your copy on healingcodecards.com, as well as with the body deck also. So there will be some more tutorial videos to come as well too on the healingcodecards.com website as well, talking about the mind deck and a new method as well called the capture method. So for those of you who are familiar with the healing code cards, whether you're doing the glare technique, you're staring at them for 60 seconds, or you're doing the water technique, you're charging your water with it, the charging technique as it's called, placing it on the body technique as well. Well, there's another one called the capture method or the capture technique. And that is something that I'm going to be explaining in the tutorial videos to come on healingcodecards.com. In a nutshell, you're actually taking your photo or the photo of another and placing it upon the card, and the card is working on that particular person that you intend for as long as you want it to work on you or that other person. So again, more exciting information coming on this brand new method. So again, go to healingcodecards.com, grab your new Healing Code Cards Mind Deck printed edition, as well as the body deck if you don't have it already. Thank you so much, and I'll speak to you all again in another perspective of the now. Take care.